welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. It is that time of the month where, not that time of the month, but the time of the month where I post my plan with me video, and this will be for the month of September. Back to school, back to routines, back to all of it. I love having my kids home, and I'm always so sad when they go to school, but I'm ready. I'm ready. I think everyone's ready for the routine. Everyone's ready for like the just consistent day to day, like the same routine every day and all of that. So I am super excited. My kids start school tomorrow. Actually, Austin starts tomorrow and Layton starts on the 1st when you're seeing this video. So Austin starts August 31st and Layton starts the 1st. So super excited for them. Layton's going into kindergarten and Austin's going into 2nd grade. So be on the lookout for lots of routine videos, lots of like lunch idea videos, lots of just like organizing and cleaning, because I'm going to be doing all of that while both of my kids are in school. They've never both been in school like full time ever. So this is like life-changing, and I am just doing this. I'm not working. Usually I work like a second job. I have been off for the last year because of COVID. So I am just doing this full time. So I love it. So make sure you are subscribed so you don't miss all of the cleaning, organizing, planning, routines, and all things like motherhood and lifestyle videos. So make sure you are subscribed and let's get planning. We're going to plan, clean, and I have some things I need to organize. So you're gonna get all of it all in one video. So let's get started.
Still got your pearls hanging by my bedside.
After I get the breakfast dishes washed and put in the dishwasher, I am just going to give the sink a good clean out. There was some food stuck in there and it was just in need of a good scrubbing. So I'm using my brush from Grove Collaborative that I just keep in the sink, and I just use that to clean the sink. So I just use a little baking soda and some Dawn dish detergent, and I'm going to get the sink all scrubbed out.
When did you fall right out of love? Oh, Emily, when did the magic stop for us? Oh, but Emily, you are the part of me I feel. It will kill me when you leave and close my door. Oh, Emily. I can't believe it's so.
So now I am just clearing off the table so I can make some space to take down the calendar, because it is quite large, so it fits on that whole table. So I just take some thieves cleaner and I wipe it all off. I take a picture for Instagram and I do like a boomerang in clearing off August and then writing in September. So if you see me on my phone, that's what I'm doing. I do one every month. So Austin was playing me a song here and I was listening to it on his little fake AirPods. So I'm just getting this all wiped down in August, cleared off, and then we are going to just fill in the month of September and the dates, and then we still have a lot of things that we need to figure out for the month because school is just starting. So there wasn't a bunch written in there, just mainly gymnastics and football. So we are going to get that all filled in with all of the dates that I have already.
Close my door. Who said it'd be easy to be in love? Who said that the sun would always shine? I'm not sure you realize what you are giving up. When did you fall right out of love? Oh, Emily, when did the magic stop for us? Oh, Emily, when did you fall right out of love? Oh, Emily,
filled in, I'm just going to get the calendar hung back up on the wall. I do have this calendar linked in the description box below. I just got it off of Amazon and I love it. I feel like it just keeps everybody organized. We will put our meal plan, and I'll just take one of the little magnetic things and put our meal plan up there, and everyone knows what we're doing, where we're going, and who has what on what days. So I am just going to get this laundry folded. My kids had some friends over, and you'll see me go to the door like 100 times because they kept coming in and asking me a million questions and for snacks and all of that. So I found Just Go With It, which is like my favorite movie of all time. So I'm going to watch that while I get this laundry folded.
For so long, I've been trying to get you out of my head. Oh yeah, but somehow I always seem to wake up in your bed. Baby, if we talk for a minute, then maybe we'd be getting somewhere. I just wanna love you a little to see where this is going. I really need to know, babe. Can we just open up? 'Cause I got to know if you feel.
Have you guys seen the movie Just Go With It? It's, I think, at least a few years old, probably like 5 or 6 years old, but it, like I said, it's just one of my favorite movies. Comment down below if you guys have seen the movie and tell me what you think about it.
For so long, I've been thinking that we're more than just friends. Oh yeah. Oh, but maybe your heart is falling for someone else.
So on this day, I had washed all of our sheets, so I am just getting those put back on the bed, and then I am going to do some decluttering and clean out under our bathroom sink. That was one of those times that all of the kids kept coming and knocking at the door literally every 5 seconds. So if you see me keep going to the door, that is why.
Can we just open up? 'Cause I got to know if you feel the things I do. I might need some help if you let me go. 'Cause I'm flying through the sky and I'm still a little high on you. I think that we need a guiding light. Right now we're running around in circles, but if you don't even wanna try, I need to know it. Can we just open up? 'Cause I got to know if you feel the things I do. I might need some help if you let me go. 'Cause I'm flying through the sky and I'm still a little high on you. Still a little high on you. On you.
So I'm just starting by taking everything out from underneath the sink. It wasn't too bad under there. I mean, everything was really messy, but it just needed to get put back into like that little basket organizer. And I had a couple of different makeup bags going from Disney and different trips and all things like that. So I am just getting everything put back to where it is supposed to go. And I also just wiped everything down under there with a Clorox wipe. I ended up throwing a few things out, but there wasn't too much. Anything that I didn't already love and use, and have already like tried a bunch of times. I'm like, I'm trying that makeup here. It seemed dry, so I just got rid of it along with the little makeup container that I got at Target, and it didn't fit all of my makeup. So I threw all of that away, and I'm just kind of consolidating everything. And Leighton was making me Play-Doh ice cream, so I had been playing with Play-Doh with her before this, so she was bringing me some more of her creations while I was cleaning.
I wouldn't know what to do, baby, without. I wouldn't know what to do. Oh, you know, oh, you know, oh, you know. When you are with me, sometimes I forget to breathe. I'm looking in your eyes, wish you could see the things I see. Don't wanna wake up if I'm dreaming, because you know I can't get enough of this feeling you're giving me. Don't wanna wake up.
All right, so I am done. I got the bathroom organized and cleaned up a little bit, and just under my sink just needed to be tidied up. I threw away a few things, but not much. But I'm going to go start some laundry, but we have reminders on my watch going off. We have Be the Teacher tonight, both the kids, and we also have football practice after that. So we have a busy night ahead of us, but I'm standing down here to show you what is one of my next projects. I want to completely redo the basement. It used to be like a toy room, and now we have, like, you guys have seen it all down here, but we have like exercise equipment and like my Peloton, and then this whole section, and then Legos, and it's kind of messy and just disorganized and junk everywhere. So I need to redo this room completely. So if anyone has any good ideas, Lego storage, and just kind of having like a playroom slash like exercise room, let me know, because I'd be curious to see. But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you consider subscribing if you are new, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.